If you've ever wanted to blur an image in Microsoft Word, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is super useful if you want to soften a photo, hide details, create a background effect, or make an image look more polished inside your document. And if you enjoy easy software tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Word document and click on the image you want to blur. Once the image is selected, you'll see the Picture Format tab appear at the top of Word. Go ahead and click the Picture Format tab so you can access the image editing tools. From there, look for the Artistic Effects option in the ribbon. This is where Word gives you different stylized effects for your images, including blur. Click Artistic Effects and the menu of Visual Effects will open up. Now scroll through the available options until you find blur. When you see it, click the blur option to apply the effect to your selected image. In just a moment, Word will automatically blur the image for you, and you can see the change right inside your document. If the blur looks too strong or not strong enough for what you need, you can always try adjusting the image size or choosing a different image before applying the effect again. The great thing about this method is that it's fast, simple, and doesn't require any extra software. You can use it for reports, presentations, handouts, or any Word document where you want a softer image effect. So to quickly recap, select the image, go to Picture Format, click Artistic Effects, and choose Blur. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful Microsoft Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.